When systems stall, the damage runs deeper than a frozen screen. Nearly half of employees lose up to 5 hours every week because of IT issues. That wasted time eats into productivity and revenue. As Paul Marchese, CEO of MCP, puts it, IT problems are rarely just about malfunctioning hardware or glitchy software. They often signal deeper inefficiencies that quietly drain resources. Outdated hardware, software conflicts, weak security, and lack of training are some of the biggest culprits. These aren't random hiccups. They're signs of underlying issues that cost time, money, and focus. A slow Wi-Fi connection, a failed backup, or a server crash may feel like isolated problems, but each one chips away at performance until it escalates into something bigger. The cost of these disruptions is staggering. Businesses lose an average of 14 hours a year to downtime, and unplanned outages can cost $9,000 a minute. Beyond lost revenue, the risks include compliance fines, reputational damage, and frustrated clients. Leaders can take control. Preventive maintenance, real-time monitoring, clear escalation paths, and continuous training make systems stronger and downtime shorter. High-performing organizations don't just rely on tools, they build resilient processes that keep business moving. You can dive into the full breakdown and see how you can stop recurring IT problems before they spiral. Read the full article on our website, and don't forget to add this to your playlist so you can revisit it anytime.